Welcome to the design guide for the HTML Flex Container Ad Unit. As the name of this ad indicates, if we preview here, basically you can set the size of this ad to be any height and width you want. This happens to be a 300 by 250 example here. If you come down to your custom settings, you'll see that the first two options enable you to adjust that. So you could turn this into a 728 by 90, 160 by 600, any size you want, and basically upload a corresponding image, JPEG, PNG, GIF, or SWF file here. That would also be 300 by 250. In the event that you upload an SWF file, that file is not going to play when this HTML ad is rendered on iPads, iPhones, or any non-Flash compatible browsers. So what you're going to want to do in that instance is upload a backup failover image, JPEG, PNG, or GIF that's also the same height and width as your container here, and that is the image that's going to show up in lieu of the SWF file for non-Flash compatible devices. If you're just using an image here, you leave the optional failover image blank. Step 2 is for your colors. This is your test mode for hit areas, whatever color you like. You can have up to 4 custom hit areas on top of this ad unit, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can use 1 or all 4 of these. And then finally your custom settings, your height and width we went over. And really the next settings all just deal with those custom hit areas. So if you wanted to have one hit area that was the entire height and width of the ad, 300 by 250 in this case, you could do that. If you wanted to add and again the horizontal and vertical offset for that are going to be 0, 0 because it's flush with the entire height and width of the ad. If we wanted to add a second hit area, we just say yes. Let's make this 50 pixels wide by 50 pixels tall, and we'll give this an offset of 15 pixels to the right and 75 pixels down. We'll make it less, 25 pixels down from the top. And you can do the same thing, custom hit area 3 height width offset, custom hit area 4 height width offset, and then finally you have your test mode, which is going to allow you to preview your ad. And you can see in this instance we have a 300 by 250 hit area 1, and hit area 2 is a smaller hit area on top that's going to go to whatever you've set for click-through number 2. So that's it for this ad unit. Very simple to build. As always, if you have questions, call us at 866-467-2289.